This is Victor from Arbortech, all the way from WA, or maybe you're from Sydney, I don't know.
Perth, yeah, WA.
But anyway, Arbortech keep bringing out all these amazing new tools for power carvers. They've just come out with their power carving unit. Victor, tell us, what's it all about?
Finally, we've been waiting a long time for this, and we finally got it. So what you see here is the power carving unit. Power carving unit comes with leveling guide, now allows you to adjust your depth of cutting. Also the chip catcher, which now all those beautiful shavings is going straight into your vacuum system, dust extraction system, and also our
so the
sanding.
blade slot, or the sanding and the blades slot into those, don't
So
they?
correct. So they just go straight onto our head here, our grinder, and then you get the turbo plane on all of the other attachments we currently got, straight onto there, and it's the most fun you can have. And this will really enhance all of our tools.
So why is this better for your tools now than any old angle grinder?
We obviously have redesigned our tools to fit this grinder specifically, but still we give you the freedom to use any other grinder.
Oh, so if you
kinda
buy
still-
a new tool now, it doesn't mean you have to get one
you
of those.
have to get this one.
Okay.
This will give you this extra little bit of comfort, and also we got variable speed, adjustable speed control, so you go from 6 top RPM all the way down for your sanding in one little grinder, and also the power carving unit comes with this extra vacuum system.
So is this supposed to be more ergonomic to hold? Is it noisier? Is it better?
It's got a better motor on it. It's like a high-end grinder. So now we happy to tell our customers the direction to go. Normally we always tell them you can use any grinder. Now we can actually tell them, and you can use our very own.
Yeah.
This is a very high-end grinder, Arbortech grinder, quality product, everything manufactured in WA. As much as we can produce locally, we do.
So if somebody bought a turbo plane fitting it 5 years ago, can they get one of these? Will it
Straight
fit?
away, and we'll fit it straight on, and you get the advantage of having the chip catcher and the leveling guide.
Oh, okay. And what does that cost?
It's $2.99 and it comes complete as a kit. Let me show it right here real quick. I'll bring it to you.
Sure.
Let's do an unboxing video here right now.
So you get the cute little suitcase with it
Comes
too.
with the Arbortech suitcase, just like that.
You can carry it onto the plane
That's
with you.
it. Off you go. Check-in luggage.
Nice.
So, nice and strapped. You get your hose, vacuum system. Fits it
Beauty.
straight on. And now all your chips and all your shavings will be going straight into your vacuum or a bucket.
Yeah, we've got a review of this in the current issue of the magazine, the one that just came out
I
in
saw
June.
that. Beautiful.
And
amazing. Really good review.
In particular, he liked the dust collection.
You don't
Yeah.
really need to have a vacuum. It's an extra. Obviously, it works a lot better with a vacuum.
Yeah.
But having this little fan propeller scooping all those shavings in straight into these little hose and the shroud, obviously, and into a vacuum bucket.
So is Kevin Inkster behind this, or is this like a
course.
whole Arbortech
Of course.
team effort?
Kevin Inkster and all of his team.
Yeah.
So he's got a few people in the R&D department, including his son now,
Yeah.
which is powering the R&D team.
Well, I
which
think
we're
it's
really happy
for
with.
30 years now you guys have been
30
coming out
years,
with new
and
things.
we've been waiting for this grinder because this really gives us even more freedom to come out with things like this.
Yeah.
Vacuum system,
Cool.
safety. We're all about that. We're all about safety, freehand shaping, and the freedom and the user friendly that our tools bring to all of
Yeah.
us. So,
Fantastic.
yeah.
That's a really good wrap up. I think that's great. Thanks a lot
No,
for that, Victor.
Thank you. Pleasure. That's it. That's pretty much it.